Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Edge and signing in so your data follows you. Once done, open the app and choose Sign In with your Microsoft account. This syncs bookmarks and passwords. Make sure to grant basic permissions like storage and notifications so downloads and autofill work. If you prefer, use guest mode for quick browsing without sync. This gets you online with synced features and saves repeated setup work across devices. You now configure the browser for efficient use and privacy. First, set your default search, choose a start page, and pick a light or dark theme to reduce eye strain. Then learn core navigation. Open and switch tabs, use collections to save pages, and long press the address bar for quick actions. Make sure tracking prevention is enabled and the built-in password manager is active. This balances speed and security while keeping sign-in. You finish by using advanced features and knowing how to fix common issues. Use Reader View for clutter-free articles, request desktop site for full pages, and enable Data Saver if you're on limited bandwidth. If a page fails to load, clear cache and cookies or force stop the app. This often fixes rendering problems. If issues persist, update or reinstall Edge and make sure System Web View is current. These steps complete setup and keep browsing smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.